Going for river rafting.
I went for river rafting in Alaska, Nenana River, for the first time in my life. And it was a thrilling experience, riding those whitewater rapids. I went on a canyon whitewater run where we have to paddle ourselves and we come across category 4 rapids. Names like Razorback, Coffee Grinder, and Ice Worm. I could not take video while we were on those rapids because we were busy paddling, but I did capture few scenic views from the canyon. I hope you would enjoy it. It is an 11 miles river rafting down the Nenana River. On our rafting adventure, we even saw a mama and a baby moose and a huge porcupine. Our guide ensured that we all get a chance to sit on the front seat and enjoy the rapids. I even swam in the river holding the raft twice during this rafting adventure. The water was so cold, but it was awesome experience.
Hey!
Our guide,
What's
Matteo.
up? Come rafting with me.
It was a fun ride.
Yeah.
It was a real fun ride.
Yeah.
And these are my buddies.
New friends.
Yeah.
Oh, Brandon's in the motorhome.
I had a lot of fun.
We're all tall, skinny guys.
I have added the details of booking in the description section. Do enjoy it whenever you get a chance.